Welcome! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and we can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding the button until you see the logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. While the watch is booting up, we can download and install the Wear OS application that we need to pair the devices together. So let's go to your iPhone, check if you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in Wear OS and tap on the search. And you should see this application on the list, Wear OS by Google. As you can see, I already have it, but if you don't have it, you can tap on it and tap on the Get button right here to download and install it. And once you install it, you will see the Open button, and you can tap on the Open button to open the app. And once you open it, you will see this page. Now let's wait until the watch is done booting in. And once it's done, you will see this message on the screen. Basically, tap to begin. So tap on the screen to continue. It will open the list of languages. Find the language you would like to use on your watch and tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will see the check mark. Tap on it to continue. And then you will see a message on the screen that you need to download and install the Wear OS. It's a bit laggy, but okay, here we have it. We already have the Wear OS application installed, so we can go to it, tap on Start Setup, tap on Agree, and then you can enable Bluetooth sharing by tapping on Enable and wait. And after a second or two, the app should detect your Vapor 2 watch. Once it does, tap on the watch to continue, tap on Pair, tap on Confirm. It should say connected on the watch. Once it does, wait until the setup goes further. Okay, right here we can copy a Google account to our watch. Basically, if you want to use Google services on your watch like Gmail, Play Store and stuff like that, you need to copy a Google account to it. As you can see, I have a Google account right here logged in into, or rather I am logged in into a Google account on my iPhone, and I can copy that account to my watch. And to do it, simply select the account. You can also add another account if you want to, and then tap on continue and enter the password to confirm and copy the account. I'm just gonna skip this step because you can also skip this step by tapping on use Wear OS without an account. But if you want to use an account and use the Google services, remember, you need to be logged in into the Google account. Select the one you like and then tap continue and enter the password to confirm. I'm just gonna tap on use without an account right here to skip this. And once you see this page, tap on done. And after that, you should see your Vapor 2 on the device page in the app. Let's wait until the setup is complete on the watch. Okay, as you can see, the setup is complete and the watch is paired with our iPhone. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.